Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in the last video I said I'm gonna make another video at when Beesmas comes out. Well, I don't want to wait that long. There's no release date. Literally no release date so far. And like this is the only game I'm playing right now. So I'm gonna do a journey to get ahead in beeswarm. See my hive? This sucks. I need more gifteds. So I have another goal for the video. This is gonna take more than one day. But the goal is to get tabby bee. To get I don't know, honey. Oh, this might be in another video, but I need to get better. I need to get more gifteds. I need to get better bees. I don't even have a mythic. There are people that are at the same level as me that have a mythic. This kid, yeah. I can't complain, but I've seen a lot of people with mythics that are the same level as me, or even less. So I'm gonna try and get a mythic. I'm gonna start off the video by finishing the spirit starter quest, because I feel like I can do that today. Haste right now. I hate when my haste runs out. Okay, that was excruciatingly long. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because this is gonna take way too long. Okay, while I was doing this, it said sticker sprout spawned. I like how it gives you a notification. Well, it's my last video all over again. I'll do the same thing I did last time and wait for it to get low. To the people who have been telling me that I need to be Blue Hive on TikTok, shut up. These people are telling me that it's a bunch of baloney. I told them that people online tell me I need to be Blue Hive later on for a bunch of quests, and then, yeah. Blue's no fun, just macro. Yeah, see? It's boring. Bruh. Dude, I gotta get my oil. Oh, that honey is just stuck there. People always love me in these servers. Wait, I think I got some. I don't think I did. Did I? I did! And green circle. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone left those, so they don't care. Honestly, I like the Hive Hub because there's a community there. While doing the quest, I don't know how I just got so much speed. But while doing the quest, I made a friend. You guys may see he has a blue backpack and be like, he blue backpacker! Ah! But no, he's actually really chill. I was redback. He's probably really close to getting, but he's probably really close to getting white backpack right now. We better kill him! And it's confusing. Yeah, right. Come on, get some. I feel bad. Stop taking. My friend left. I didn't know he left. He said, he told me not to use codes all at once. We were talking about code, and I said I used them all once I started, and I thought he was replying to me when he said same, but he said, when this kid said I'm gonna play a different game, he was like same, so, yeah. But, almost on my, what was I gonna say? I started this recording so I could say something. I forget. I don't know. I honestly forget. Play epic in-game music. Oh, I'm about to do it. Yeah! Let's see what rewards I get. I was talking to someone. Pause. Let's beat him. Quick. Let's type. One stinger. Are you serious? Oh, I got 5+. Let's go. Yawn. Oh, there you are, dude. Oh, yes, you're. I ain't reading all that. Quit yapping! I ain't reading all that. Okay, that wasn't that bad. How much roll jelly? 10? Okay. Okay, now I might finish Bamboo Boogaloo. I thought it was Bamboo Boogie. Oh, it is. I'm gonna finish Bamboo Boogaloo. Bamboo Boogie. While I still can. No, dude, my effect wore off. Whatever, I can do it without it, right? Okay, dude, that's slower than me. Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. That don't kill me. It can only make me. I need Gummy Bee. I can be the coolest guy in town. I need to grind because I saw that video of the kid getting the gummy thingy, and I want to be the next youngest person to get the porcelain dipper. How old was he? Someone look into that. I kind of wish I was 11 again, because then I could grind like beeswarm all day, and then I could get the porcelain dipper, and I could laugh in his face. When I was 11, that was my dream. But no, guys, if this video gets 1,000 million likes, then I'll give birth to a child, and make him do the porcelain dipper. Guys, and I promise I will do that if this video gets 1,000 million likes. So hit that like button, fam. I wonder if beeswarm will even be better. I'm 40. Guys, like and subscribe if you're watching this 20 years from now. Yes, sir. Promo quest 19. Oh, that's not a lot. Yo, dude, what? What's the next one? Okay, I might do this next video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this video so much. Oh, come on, I have to do 2 million from the dandelion again. Anyways, that's all for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. I forgot to do this, but forgot to do the thing where I donate to the wind shrine. She's telling me to donate 1 clubhouse, so I'm gonna do like 2. Yeah, I do. There you go. How much? How much, honey? Bro, I hate that thing. It gets in the way. 4 million. Okay, that's not bad, but it's not the best. Anyways, yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye bye.